and that's not really fair.
Thank you. Have a good day.
In today's legal affairs segment, most of us don't like thinking about making a will or a power of attorney, but it's important, especially if you have specific wishes that you want carried out. For example, if you want a green burial or you want only certain medical care given. Our legal affairs contributor, Craig Wisnam, joins us now with what we need to know. Let's start off with the green burial. Tell us about that.
Well, it's just a particular choice that's becoming a bit more popular. We obviously hear a lot about green type issues, and it's designed to do that with burial as well, in a more biodegradable container, casket, shroud, something to that effect. And there are designated green cemeteries which attempt to make sure that the whole situation is environmentally friendly as possible.
So if you want something like that, you have to make sure that you ask for it.
Absolutely. With any of these specific wishes we're talking about, it's very important that they're documented in probably their healthcare power of attorney, because the person they name to make medical decisions is legally the person that's empowered to make these decisions about funeral and burial arrangements and other uplifting things like that.
Yeah, all righty. The other thing I wanted to talk about was autopsy. Sometimes it is necessary to do an autopsy on the death of a loved one, but you can actually write into your will that you do not want one.
You can write in with certain limitations. Essentially, you can tell your loved ones and your physician and medical establishments whether you permit an autopsy or not. Now, unfortunately, under certain legal situations, there may be one necessary no matter what. But obviously, for some people, it's a very important issue. There are certain religions where that's a very important thing not to have done. So anytime someone has that specific wish, a lot of people don't. Some people's wishes are more generally, but if you do have those type of wishes or beliefs, document them so your medical agent knows what to do.
Does the same thing hold true for embalming?
Yes, and actually that's kind of a portion of can be a religious issue. There are certain religious religions that don't want that done, and that's normally actually part of a green burial, as the person's not embalmed, to make the whole thing more environmentally friendly, have less toxins, etc., put into the earth.
What about medical care? Some people want chiropractic care or naturopathic care. Do you have to write into I guess that would be the
medical power of attorney.
Medical power of attorney.
Yes, because that medical agent's making decisions. You start with the idea you appoint someone to make these decisions for them, but then you can go ahead and give them as much instructions as possible. Again, some people might just want the more normal type of treatment, but if you have either things that you do not want or specific, more, off the beaten track treatments that you'd like used on you, put them in the document. You can always specify and tell people what you want.
And there really is no age where you should have all these documents drawn up, right? The younger the better.
It's always good to have done.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, anyone might need this in a situation.
Okay. Thank you so much, Craig.